In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save and view your favorite items on SHEIN. Whether you're someone who loves fashion or just enjoys shopping for trendy looks, knowing how to quickly save your favorite pieces can make all the difference in your online shopping experience. So let's dive in, and I'll guide you through the process. First things first, you'll want to open up the SHEIN app on your smartphone or navigate to their website on your computer. This is your gateway to thousands of fashion items across different categories, from clothing and accessories to shoes and home goods. As you browse through these products, you might find something that catches your eye. Maybe it's a beautiful dress perfect for summer outings, a cozy sweater for those chilly evenings, or that perfect pair of boots you've been searching for. Once you've found an item you're interested in, click to open the product page. This is where you'll find all the details you need, including sizes, available colors, and material information. You'll also see lifestyle images and read reviews from other shoppers, which can help you make a more informed decision. Now, if this is an item you'd like to save for later, the next step is especially important. Look around the product page, and you'll notice a little heart icon or a button that says Add to Wishlist. Go ahead and tap on that. The heart icon is universally recognized as a symbol for favoriting or liking something, so it's perfect for this purpose. By adding an item to your wish list, you're creating a personal collection of products that you can easily revisit. This is particularly helpful if you're comparing a few different items or are waiting for a sale or promotion before making a purchase. After you've added some items to your wish list, you might be wondering, how can I access it later? No worries, it's quite straightforward. Navigate to your profile within the app or on the website. Your wish list is typically located there, often under a section marked with a heart or simply labeled wish list. Once inside, you'll be able to view all the items you've saved. From there, you have several options. You can move items to your cart when you're ready to buy, remove items if you've changed your mind, or keep them there for further consideration. Being savvy about using your wish list not only enhances your shopping experience, but also saves you time. Imagine not having to search for that perfect top again, or trying to remember which pair of jeans caught your eye last week. With just a few taps, you can keep track of everything that piques your interest. So there you have it, a simple yet effective way to tailor your SHEIN shopping journey. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it makes your future shopping sprees a bit easier and more enjoyable. Happy shopping!